The Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 is a genuine iPad Pro alternative, and one of the best Android tablets around. It has similar productivity potential to Apple's Slate, but with a stylus bundled in, saving you some money, and with a Super AMOLED screen. This is impressive stuff, but the Tab S3 isn't without faults. So we've come up with a list of things we'd like to see improved for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. And we've also started hearing rumors and spotted leaks about the Galaxy Tab S4, which we'll discuss later in the video. So make sure to stay tuned. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 is one of the best tablets money can buy, but it's still a long way from perfect. Here's how the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 can get closer. Better multitasking. As much as Samsung might want you to ditch your laptop and just use the Galaxy Tab S3, it's not quite up to the task, and that's largely down to clunky multitasking. There's no proper dock for easy app switching, the recent apps menu is a slow alternative, and the screen is arguably a bit cramped if you want to have two apps running side by side. Improvements to all these things for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 would be great to see, and may be necessary if it wants to compete with the iPad Pro range. A cheaper keyboard. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 is designed in part as a productivity device like the iPad Pro, and like the Apple Slate, you need an expensive keyboard accessory to get the most out of it. In Samsung's case, the official keyboard launched for $129, which is almost as much as some Chromebooks cost. For the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4, we want to see the keyboard bundled with the Slate, or at the very least offered for a lot less money. Keyboard tweaks. Speaking of the keyboard, there's room for improvement in its design too. There are no function keys and no home button, for example. It could also do with stronger magnets, and the flap should be magnetic, both to keep it shut and to turn off the screen when closed. These should be easy fixes for the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4's keyboard. Samsung hasn't been giving its flagship Slate range yearly upgrades, with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 hitting stores in September 2015, but the Galaxy Tab S3 not landing until March 2017. There was around 18 months between them. If Samsung keeps that up, then we won't see the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 until roughly September 2018. We didn't see Samsung announce a new tablet on March, so it makes sense we'll see it in September. Pricing will probably be in line with the Tab S3's, if not higher. That Slate launched for $599, and for that money you also get a stylus, but the keyboard cost extra. The number of benchmarking leaks suggests what specs we'll see on the Galaxy Tab S4. The first benchmark for a Slate with a model number that matches what we'd expect the Tab S4 to have came in February 2018. The benchmark lists a 2.3 GHz octa-core chipset, which is likely the Snapdragon 835. Meaning this Slate might not quite be cutting edge, as that's a 2017 chipset. There's also 4GB of RAM and a 10.5-inch 1600 by 2560 screen listed, as well as 64GB of storage, a 12MP rear camera, a 7 or 8MP front-facing camera, and an Android 8.0. It will probably also support HDR content, since the Tab S3 does, and it's unlikely that Samsung would remove a major feature. So that is guys what we want to see in the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4, as well as some rumors regarding the tablet itself. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.